You can look at my eyes and see. Great big man like me. You got me crying my soul out, girl. You got me crying my soul. My lonely room. Crying. But you got me crying. You got me crying over you, bitch. Hate you. Ever since you left. But I don't know what to do with myself. I don't know what to do. Oh, miss you. I miss you, bitch. You know that. You know you playing with me. You think you slick. You gonna try to disappear and hurt my feelings and got me crying. Now I filling out a missing persons report. Yeah, type of thing. That sound? Man, I be picking the right moderator, man. Like, man, cause you fuck with me. I fuck with you cause you fuck with me. You can hear me now? You can hear me now? Yeah, man, my energy on. Like, word, like I be all them goofy motherfuckers, I cutting off all the goofy motherfuckers. And I just attracting all the real motherfuckers. Like my dog was like, my nigga, your sound is off. Like, fix that shit. Like, get it right. I fuck with you. Yo! Nah, I forget to show y'all the food. My bad. There it go. Woo! Y'all probably need a clue. Kimura, it's for you. You get the close up. This ain't for all of YouTube. This is just for Kimura. Kimura gets the close up. Kimura, I hope I didn't disappoint you. I did? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, well, maybe I make it up the next time around. Tonight doesn't what it's heading for. Yeah. Woo. Now, if this does not look appealing to you, imagine, just put yourself, not the selfish motherfuckers, but the motherfuckers that can see things through other people's eyes. Imagine looking through the eyes of someone who hasn't eaten all day long. I haven't eaten all day long. I've been bullshitting around. I ain't gonna tell you all the details, but I've been bullshitting around. And yeah, so I'm about to run through this after I finish my other project I'm working on right now. Yeah, that's one of the projects right here. Yeah, nice type of thing. Trouble. Yeah. And that's how they do on Snapchat. They kicked me off of Snapchat because So yeah, but I know they was doing this on Snapchat. So,